Hey there! Today, we're going to take you on a journey into the future of cooking. Buckle up because the year is 2025 and your kitchen might look like this. The world of cooking is changing faster than a whisk in a blender. And here's the secret ingredient to keep up with it all and be the star of your own kitchen. Are you ready to learn about Whizk? First, let's talk about the modern kitchen. What's new for you? The future of cooking is all about for big changes happening in kitchens all over the world. So let's jump right in. No. One AI and smart appliances. Soon ovens will remember your favorite dishes. Refrigerators will suggest recipes based on what you have inside. Kitchen tools will help you cook more accurately and precisely. Cooking is becoming semi-automated, which makes things easier and more precise. Number 2, personalized health. Cooking isn't just about taste anymore. It's about taking care of your body. Imagine meals made with functional foods like turmeric or kimchi, tailored to your diet, allergies, and health goals. No. 3. Sustainability. We're all thinking more about where our food comes from. This means more plant-based meals, zero-waste cooking, using every part of your ingredients, choosing local and ethical ingredients. And number 4, learning made easy. No more boring cooking classes. In the future, you can learn anything online, anytime. There are thousands of recipes, interactive tools, and meal planning apps. Now, with all these changes, you might be wondering, how can I keep up? How can I make the most out of this new world of cooking? Well, that's where Whizk comes in. Meet Whizk, your AI culinary navigator. It's a special program designed to help you cook with more skill, confidence, and creativity. See what it has to offer. So Whizk has 2 main parts. The first part is the workspace. It's like your digital cookbook and cooking school teacher all in one. And the second part is the speakeasy. This is where you can ask anything about cooking and get instant help. The workspace is your structured learning guide. It helps you build your cooking skills step by step. It's like having a personal chef who teaches you everything from the basics to advanced techniques like braising or sautéing. You can choose what you want to learn and go at your own pace. The workspace gives you easy-to-follow modules and tasks that break down complex cooking skills into simple steps. Whether you're just starting out or you've been cooking for years, the workspace has something for you. For example, you can learn how to master basic knife skills or delve into more advanced techniques, like filleting a fish or making the perfect pie crust. Plus, it's super user-friendly. If you're stuck or need more info, you can simply ask the speakeasy for help. And the best part, many tasks come with YouTube videos so you can see exactly how it's done. Now let's meet the speakeasy, your instant AI culinary expert. The speakeasy is a powerful open chat where you can ask anything about cooking and get instant, personalized answers from a professional chef or AI. It's like having a sous chef right by your side. But what can you actually do with the speakeasy? Let's check out its superpowers. Superpower 1. Just-in-time solutions. Oops, your cake turned out dense. No worries, just ask the speakeasy. It will give you instant advice to fix your problem. Sauce broke. Don't panic. The speakeasy has a solution. Out of buttermilk for the fried chicken. No problem. Whizk has a superpower called just-in-time solutions, and it's perfect for those unexpected moments in the kitchen. Let's say you're baking a cake, and it comes out tough and dense. Instead of throwing it away, you can ask the speakeasy, what can I do to make this cake fluffy and light next time? The speakeasy will give you instant tips like using baking powder or adding more eggs. It's like having a personal chef right in your kitchen. Superpower 2. Creative brainstorming. Stuck on what to cook? The speakeasy is here to save the day. Just ask it for ideas. For example, what can I make with salmon and asparagus? Or what wine goes well with a spicy curry? The speakeasy will brainstorm with you and give you tons of ideas. It's like having a creative cooking buddy. But that's not all. Speakeasy can also help you explore different variations of a dish. Let's say you want to make a classic pad thai. You can ask the speakeasy, how can I make this recipe vegetarian? And boom, the speakeasy will give you a list of ingredients and steps to make a delicious vegetarian pad thai. The possibilities are endless. Superpower 3. Your global cookbook. Can't decide between Italian, Mexican, or Indian food? The speakeasy is your answer. It has thousands of recipes from all over the world. For example, you can ask for authentic pad thai recipe or ideas for a Japanese-Mexican fusion dish. The speakeasy will find the perfect recipe for you. Plus, it can tailor recipes to your needs. Like if you're gluten-free, just ask the Speakeasy to find gluten-free recipes. It's like having a personal chef who knows your taste buds and dietary needs. And to top it off, the Speakeasy is super portable. You can use it on your phone or tablet and take it anywhere. So whether you're at home or at a friend's house, the Speakeasy has your back. Oh, and did we mention that the Speakeasy is super fast? You won't have to wait forever for an answer. It's always there when you need it. Imagine being able to instantly fix mistakes in your cooking, get ideas for new and exciting recipes, and even make your own personalized, health-focused meals. Isn't it exciting to think about all the possibilities? We call this the Whizk synergy. First, learn the what and how in the structured workspace. Then, as you cook, use the Speakeasy to ask why and what if questions, troubleshoot, and get creative. This creates a powerful cycle of learning, practicing, and refining your skills. You'll know not only how to cook, but also why things work, making you a truly confident and innovative cook. Whizk helps you embrace all the exciting trends of 2025. Here's how. No one. AI sous chef. The AI in Whizk acts like a professional assistant in your kitchen, helping you with recipes, techniques, and troubleshooting. Number 2, personalized meals. Whizk makes it easy to cater to everyone's unique dietary needs and preferences, whether it's allergies, health goals, or simply picky eating. No. 3, global flavors. With access to thousands of recipes and techniques from around the world, Whizk encourages you to explore and fuse cuisines, creating exciting new dishes. And no, for continuous learning. The world of cooking is always evolving, and Whizk keeps you up to date with the latest techniques and ideas, helping you grow as a cook. In addition to these trends, Whizk also indirectly helps with sustainability by helping you troubleshoot, find substitutions, and reduce food waste. In the future, chefs and home cooks are storytellers using food to express their culture, values, and identity. Whizk gives you the tools to tell your story through food. Whether you're experimenting with ancient grains or futuristic tools, Whizk helps you find your voice in the culinary world. The kitchen of 2025 is a hub of creativity, health, and connection. Whizk helps you master this timeless art form. The world of cooking is changing, and with Whizk by your side, you're not just keeping up, you're leading the way. The joy of cooking and sharing meals will always bring us together. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, happy cooking.